Yes sir, your boy City 360. Bring y'all another one. Coming back for another one. It ain't Friday, but it's next Friday. No, I'm playing. What's good, y'all? This your boy City 360. If you already subscribed, you already know that. But if you new, you might not know. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. You can tell a friend, you can tell somebody if you want. So really, it don't matter. But it's today is February 16th, 2020, about 4 p.m. A couple hours of daylight before I go to this little late birthday dinner and whatnot. Just turned 28 Friday. Anyway, y'all, I got my exhaust I'm finna put on here today. See how they sit on here and whatnot, and I'm ready to do something else on my starter wire. Yeah, see, I got the, but see, this is the starter wire from the car, like from the car bulkhead. So I'm gonna run it back around this way, route it down here, and I'm gonna, just for now, put that small connection back on this piece. And this starter wire from the harness will be taped off. I won't be using that. So this one's gonna be here. My battery's cool. My this ground. Damn, that motherfucker weak. But that ground, I might keep it there. I might move it around to the other side. My exhaust I got is them hooker manifolds. If y'all remember seeing my video, my little short video I put up about it. But so my ground, okay, because there really ain't a spot over here. Okay, yeah, there is. I could put that ground behind this bolt here, because this, basically on the same spot on the block. But we're gonna get some of this stuff situated, get my battery over here, get it hooked up and whatnot, and have my dad crank it over today while I'm hitting it with some starter fluid or some gas. I might go get some gas, get it, put it in a little squeeze bottle, I'm not for sure. Yeah, y'all, stay tuned. This is just, early beginnings of 2020, y'all. I'm bored, trying to find something to do. Stay tuned. What I'm gonna be doing today, y'all, is can't remember if I put it in the other video or not, but fuel line and AC quick disconnect tool. Comes with these sizes: 7/8, 3/4, 5/8, 1/2, 3/8, 5/16. Excuse me. I think I paid, I don't even want to say $9. I think I paid maybe like $6.99. But I got these here. If y'all remember the other video, also those. One of them's a 5/16 and one of them's a 3/8. They're the 3/8 one. This is the box that came in. And the part number is 800-121 up there in the top left. And for the 5/8, I believe it was 800-120. So what I'm gonna do with these connectors is I'm gonna remove this black things on the inside of here also. You know what I mean? Both of them. They might be there to help you disconnect it quick yourself, but I'll have them tools, so I'm gonna take these off, take these up out of here, and slide them on to the fuel rail on the Chevy. Or in order for these to work, you're gonna have to use 2 hands, stretch them over this, get them over the hard line. Let me see. Okay, you don't need 2 hands necessarily. Take that, slide it in there. Slide it in there as far as you can. Just slide it smooth off, see? I'll show you again. See how it won't come off? Slide them together. You can slide it off, like so. That's how you use the quick disconnect tools from Harbor Freight, y'all. Do the other one as a 5/16. Take my 3/8 hardline connector, like so. Slide that back. It's on there, it ain't going nowhere. Might need 2 hands to get this off. I don't know. I ain't finna try it with one. I'm gonna get it off real quick. It wasn't that easy to get off, but I wedged it off. Show y'all here in a minute. Take your 5/16 one. It might be a little more difficult because you can't get to it as easy. Slide it off there. 5/16 connector. Slide the disconnect tool back. That ain't going nowhere, that ain't going nowhere. Now I can straighten them up. Don't really need to worry about it right now. And I'm gonna get this one up off of here. And everything hooked up, temporary for now. Got it turned over by the key. I wonder if my engine look like it's sitting straight or not. But anyway, go ahead and open up this box. Get these headers on, or these exhaust manifolds on out real quick. Got the passenger one in my hand. See what I gotta do to line him up. As y'all can see, I got them in there. I pulled this out the way some, unhooked the spark plug wires, the boots off the plugs. Some down in there. I'm about to get some tape real quick to tape up this starter wire, and put my gasket in here and bolt these up temporarily. Slide that down in there. Move all your boots out the way. Line it up so, like that. Grab your gasket. I'm just putting this in there for now. It's the old one. See how it goes in here. Let me see. Like so. I don't think so. I think they do go in like this. Grab my bolts. So these bolts, I can tell, are already too long, but it's all good. Like I said, this is just a mock it up type shit. Show y'all how they fit. I'm gonna get this on here. Join y'all back in a second. Not even gonna lie, y'all. These fairly easy to get on. At least when you busted the car down as far as I did. I'm gonna go grab, I think, a 13mm. Throw these in there. You can see it's on there. Tighten these on up. I actually may, since it's budget. Oh shit, that bolt's up there. Hold on now. Shoot. That hole's not there. Hold down there. Let's see how these bolt up, y'all. I thought I had it. See if it worked like this, y'all. they all line up. Alright, y'all. As you can see, I got all the bolts started. Oh, hold on. Now I got all the bolts started. I'm gonna go get 13mm and tighten them up, and put my plugs back on. I had the wrong gasket on. I was trying to use the driver's side gasket. Coming soon, y'all. Coming soon. Got these bolts all tightened up. See how they fit tight. Starting to look like an engine. Wiring still rough. Better do the other side. As you can see, I unplugged the spark plugs. Take your gasket. Line it up. Got 6 holes you want to line up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like so. Take your exhaust. Slide up in there, move your boots out the way. Like so, get some of your bolts. Grab at least one to get it started right here in the front. One more, get it started in the back. Put the other 4 in there. Ooh, my hands is cramping up, y'all. Y'all don't know my struggle. Unless y'all ain't got power tools yet. Tighten these on up, tune y'all back on in a second. Got that all tightened up, y'all. Hook up my spark plugs. 2. Well, now we're gonna see what it sounds like when it starts up a little bit now.
How many horsepower with this engine will be?
I think these is like, these horsepower ain't too much.
Not versus
About like 300 maybe. But that's engine. Mine was like 165. I'm gonna have my dad turn it over while I'll try to throw some fuel in there. I ain't got my belt on, so I ain't gotta worry about my fan and stuff moving, getting in my way. Stay tuned. This is the only place I can really put y'all is mount you up by the windshield, because you know I ain't got my fenders or nothing on here. I didn't show y'all this side really. But you see them mugs tucked down good, y'all. You ain't gotta worry about no clearance. They say with the steering shaft, it's gonna be here, going straight out. You ain't gotta worry about nothing, y'all. I ain't got to the power steering lines and stuff yet, but we Gucci. Ready? Go ahead. Hit it again. Hold on. Go ahead. You good. Alright, y'all. You turn the key off?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna look at something real quick and see if I can get it to stay running a little bit longer. Because this PCM is flashed. I don't even know if I got my throttle cable. Oh, I can't use it anyway. Well, we know it starts up, y'all. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah, it's a good thing. You got something. You got to.
See something if I can do something real quick, y'all. See what it do with a little actual gas in there, y'all. Hit it. I mean, it can't be getting in there.
Huh?
That's the only thing it can't be. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah.
hit it. What you keep? Did you keep it? What you do? Hold it?
Yeah.
Well, we know it starts, y'all. That was longer than expected. That was long enough. So, as y'all heard, it runs. I gotta tighten a lot of stuff up. You know what I mean? My wiring and whatnot. I'm probably gonna get a whole nother harness from the yard, and I probably ain't gonna go through it too much. I'm gonna use the OG fuse block. I might depin the stuff from the computer, but as far as going through the whole harness, removing them wires and stuff, I probably won't. I might just leave them plugs there or clip them off at the end and tape them up or whatever, heat shrink them, and then to where I can get this swap on the road, and then I mean behind the scenes I'll be working on the harness, doing giving it my all, removing all the wires, making it look as best as I can, and then see how that goes for LS swap in the future. But anyways, y'all heard it run. I tighten up my grounds and whatnot, run them together. You see me put these connectors on. I mean, I got a lot to do still, but I mean, the exhaust fits real good. Fires up. Tighten these up. This for my fuse or my fuel pump. I mean, tighten up a couple wires here and there, and throw my fuel system together. Throw my front end back together, and drive shaft cross member end, but you know what I mean. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon, probably maybe like 300 subscribers. That's like 35 subscribers away. But y'all stay tuned. One.